Bless you.
Oh, that wasn't me. That was my sneeze in a can.
Sneeze in a can? What's that?
Dude, you've never heard of it? It's only the greatest drink ever. It's a sneeze in a can, and it comes in like 5 different flavors. And colors, too. I mean, it's the best thing in the world. I got lime sneeze.
Boy, sneeze in a can. I want one!
Well, go up to your local retail store and get them. You can get them anywhere. Sneeze in a can, sold in many different flavors, colors, numbers, and equations. Not accompanied by music, guitar, or random guy. Or random guy number 2. Sneeze in a can. Pick it up now and achoo! Sneeze the competition away.